In the last video, we did fetch the data from the server. Now, today let's populate the UI. To do that, we have already downloaded the image. Now we need to have a check that if the image has been downloaded properly. If the image has been downloaded and converted to image, UI image, then we will update the UI. So let's have another publisher which will track if the image has been downloaded properly or not. It will be any publisher which will give a boolean or it will never fail. Now $image map, we are not gonna use any key path, not equal to nil, and then erase to any publisher. This flat map 0, it refers to the image, so it means if image is not nil, it will return true, and if it is nil, it will return false. Let's use this in our view. So in the view model as image sync, using sync we can subscribe to a publisher. Also we need to receive it on the dispatch queue main, receive on in the main thread will receive it, dispatch queue dot main, because to update the UI we need to update it in the main thread. Let's give it a name status. If status is true, then we will update the UI. So we can just simply put this code inside the block now. Now we need to assign the value. Also we need to import combined first. And we need to have a cancelable. We already have it in the view controller, home view controller. So just paste it here. Let's make it private. Private set. It will be privately set. It cannot be set from anywhere else outside of the file. That's why we made it private set. And let's store it to the cancelable. Now let's populate the UI. With self sync as an escape enclosure. So capture the self. Return image view, image view model image, name level text, view model Pokemon data. We don't need the $sign dot name. Let's copy this one. For the weight, for the height. But if you check the type of the height and weight is integer, you cannot assign integer in the text just like that. It has to be inside string. Otherwise it will be complaining. Also we need to unwrap the optional, or you have to give it a default value. So I'm giving a default value of -1. So I think that should be it. Let's hit and run the simulator and check if everything is working fine. There you can see image has been loaded, data has been populated and showing as expected. Let's fetch some more image, and while it was fetching, it was loading. When it got the data, is showing with an animation. Let's check one more time. It's working as expected. The next video we will do some more validation. Here we can have some nil value, or here and here as well. So we will add some more validation to check if data is nil or not.